First of all, I would like to extend my warm welcome to our special guest of this morning, Mr. S.K. Prajapati, DDO as well as Additional Charge District Sports Officer, Commandant Mr. Rakesh Kushwaha, Coast Guard, Okha, Mrs. Rajni Kamath. One more Guinness World Record attempt is most self-portrait photographs taken in 3 minutes. The previous record is 184 selfie in 3 minutes, and this record is with Akshay Kumar, famous Bollywood actor. And today Swam Agera of class 9th B will try to break it with 200 or 210 selfies in 3 minutes.
Selfie વાળું ચાલો કામ ઉભા છે
હા આવશે પેલા
સેલ્ફી લે છે ને એને કે
અનાઉન્સમેન્ટ કરવાના પડે
To break the record of the Bollywood actor, let's wish that Swayam should be able to fulfill his task objective. Wish you all the best, Swayam.
બે બાજુ થઈ શકે
યા તો સામે તો કરે
Swim ready? Monica Ben. Divide sir.
2, 1, go!
Shabash, shabash, shabash. Come on, quick, come on, hurry up. Very good. Quick. Fast. Don't take the time. Come on, time. Wait. Time करो, time है, करो. 1 minute left. चलो, शाबाश. Sharma sir, last minute. Yes.
Well done, sir.
This new record is with Selfie 229 and previous record is 184.
Cheers to you, Swayam. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now let us witness the other event.
अरे हूँ बारे. राजकुमार. चलो.
Samani of class 9th is trying to break the record of Edward Wilson of United Kingdom by making a pyramid of 36 cans in this time. Let's see how quick he can complete the task.
एक मिनट बोल.
Okay, chalo.
Eh?
Ready.
Okay, man. Thank you.